Okay, folks, so this is part tutorial, part bitch session. So this is a Blue Sea Systems AC circuit breaker. It's called a part 1210. It's a simple, you see it on the wiring distribution panel here. It's a part 1210. It's the simplest one they make, okay? So I had a tough time with the drawings, and I called them and tried to decode what they gave me here. And so here you see it's a AC 120 volt AC branch circuit panel. I'm actually using it in a Sprinter van, but basically you have 4 different AC circuit breakers here, and you run AC in the back. You can control 4 different circuits with the thing. Okay, so in theory it would be very simple, right? Comes with labels. I use the labels. It also comes in a package with this little thing. Okay, so then you go and you get, this is the other thing in the package, is this manual right here, 360 system installation manual, and it talks about it. And I'm looking at the drawing here, page 4, and I'm going, well, wait a minute now. When I look at this drawing, I see a different set of wires than on the back of my device. Okay, the back of my device, I see a bus bar here, and I see 4 individual circuits. Okay, each one of them has a little black wire that goes down to the circuit board here, and then this is supposed to be the big AC ground, and then this is supposed to be an AC neutral. And it turns out, even though it's not in this manual apparently comes with every single one of the panels that are sold in this system. Okay, so this is very generic, doesn't even really apply. The guy goes, that isn't even the right drawing. So you go to their website, you download this drawing. Now this shows you that you connect AC hot to here, which is here. You connect each one of these to an AC load. Okay, that's fine. These little black wires that come down are also going to the circuit panel, and so is this AC neutral. Those are all for the AC indicator lights. Okay, so when the panel's on, this little red light right here will light up. Okay, that's what that's for. The AC powers that. Behind this is DC. We'll get to that in a second. So you have your hot main connected here. You have individual loads hot connected there. Where do the neutrals go? Well, that's a great question. It's not on this drawing. It doesn't say anywhere on this drawing where the neutrals go. They go on this little panel right here. And if you look at their little manual, they have this on the side. They say, this is the safety ground bus, and this is the AC neutral bus. So they want you to mount this separately. Use one side as AC neutrals, and the other side is a ground bus, and then connect it, pair it up with wires to this switch, right? Who would have guessed? Looking at this drawing, how would you guess that? But anyway, there it is. And so one side will be DC grounds if you want it, and maybe a safety ground for the device. This other side will be AC neutrals, and that will connect up to the AC neutral from your hot lead. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of these will be used. And then as far as DC goes, on the back of the panel here, you can connect up 12 volt DC, 24 volt DC, and a DC ground. These 3 on the circuit panel are DC only, and they drive a small light that is behind these labels. And whenever you have DC, those will all be lit. And so that's how you wire this thing, and I would have never guessed. Sorry I wasted 4 minutes of your time, but if you're trying to wire one of these up and you don't understand this drawing, I just saved you a lot more than that. All right, take care everyone. Be safe.